Congratulations to Cubana chief priest for launching his 1 billion naira village mansion. Hey, now wow, money na water. Guys, watch this video to the end and let me know what you think about this latest mansion by Cubana chief priest in his village in Imo State. This is absolutely wonderful. And he also used the opportunity to bless so many people from his family, from his village. You know, we Igbos, we believe in Akuru na Amatonye Pataraya. So it means that when you have money, you come back home and everybody will know that you have achieved, you have reached that level by building a village mansion and also by giving out to your family, your village people. So we also want to congratulate Cubana chief priest and also pray that such a blessing will be our portion in the new year. Let me know what you guys think about this latest mansion. Please follow this page, share this video, like this video, and I'll see you next time.